Hi, my name is Spencer Trainum. I work with Boston Whaler in our product development and engineering department. I'd like to walk you guys through a few of the new features from our keel-up redesign of the 21 Montauk. So we're standing on top of a keel-up redesign. Boston Whaler employs an in-house naval architect where we've completely redone running surface up. So brand new model, it's not a reused model. Three key features here, one I want to walk you through is the leaning post. We've got 5 different configurations here at the leaning post. You're seeing our deluxe leaning post configuration, larger live well with flip-up bolstered seating, rod holders in the back. You can also get this in what we call a stick leaning post configuration, similar to our 240 Dauntless Pro, where it's fabricated aluminum. You've got a slide out cooler beneath it. You can do what you guys are familiar with the standard reversible pilot seat that you see in all the Montauks, with and without a cooler, and a smaller live well. So really all kinds of configurations here to get it how you like it. In addition to the 5 different configurations here at the leaning post, we've also got some unique seating configurations. We're bringing in standard seating here in the aft side of the boat. Flip up, comfortable seating, easy handholds at reach, really well done. So here at the helm, we've redesigned, just like keel up, everything's been redesigned here. So we brought in this alternating color aft face here, similar to what we've done on Dauntlesses. Brings a unique style. We've got the optional teak package on the boat, where a nice piece of real teak on this footrest here that's convenient whenever you sit at the helm. Numerous Marine Options at the helm for electronics. Got a stereo with 4 speakers, 4 JL audio speakers, and really fine-tuning our ergonomics here at the helm. So that's just a few of the cool features here on the new 21 Montauk. We bring a lot to the table optionally, a lot of great features out there. You can view at bostonwhaler.com or marinemax.com and build your boat how you want.